It has been a crazy week. So we've been trying to work on the banana and do it justice, but things just keep coming up. The first thing that happened is Eric brought a trailer that needed some jacks on it. So push the banana out, bring the trailer in, weld the jacks on it, get it out of here, send it down the road. Ed's rear axle, when we were fixing the exhaust, we noticed that it was leaking, so we had to put axle seals in that. We got that done. As a result of sliding the engine backwards, we had to shorten the drive line, so we took that over to 6/8 and got that done. Tom went and picked it up. He was a superstar. Some really exciting things happened. Carter from Carter's Custom Upholstery brought our seats down, and some of you asked, what seats are they? They're the stock original seats out of this Jeep. They look amazing. Like, they look really good. I'm excited. And then more big news. The tires have come for this project with the wheels. The Raceline wheels, the Milestar tires. It's gonna be sweet.
But the biggest thing of all, Ed had a birthday.
Surprise!
What it is, yeah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ed. Not me, it was Trevor and Lizzie and Tucker and Jamie. And everybody else.
Thank you much.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Birthday, dear Ed. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you much.
Happy birthday, Ed.
The big 8-4.
So now after all that being said, let's get into the build and we'll show you that we did get some things done this week. Good day to you.
Good day. Are we being formal?
Yes. Today we're going to be kind of fishing up the front end of this. We don't know exactly what we're going to do yet, but we've drawn some pictures on some metal and we've cut out some cardboard. So onward and upward. Hey, are you going to help us?
Eventually.
All right, so step number one, Tom here is going to start cutting out what we think we might want for bumpers, and simultaneous, how would you say that?
Simultaneously.
At the exact same time, I'm going to be doing step one right here, lopping those things off. So here we go. So I'm going to show you something. Trevor, give me I want the camera hand. Yeah, that's what it is. We had a video, he was reaching for a camera. It looked like Rudy was just leaving him hanging because Rudy's just sitting here just totally ignoring him. But Trevor was looking for this.
It's my pacifier. It's steep.
Yeah.
But my safety blanket. It's still a little bit too connected. There we go.
This would have done it. It's good for prying, hacking, and smashing. Somebody asked if this had a waffle tread on it, and the answer is once upon a time, but not anymore.
It used to.
It used to.
Okay, let's see how this one goes.
So, how do we want to do this? I know how we want to do this. Hold it up where it goes. Except for we haven't got it the right length. We need to get
No, yeah.
Are they the same length as each other?
They're pretty close.
I don't know. Do you hate it out there a little bit? I need more votes. I really like it. I want it just like that, and I want it sticking out just like that. I don't want anything cut off from it. And then these just need to be cleaned up and weld the caps on all sides of them.
Cap them all over. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so come hold this one up and let's mark it.
This one needs a huge notch out of it.
You gonna test fit it?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, this was too much.
Did we cut too much?
Yeah, but it definitely fits.
That's okay. I like it. Don't feel bad about it. We're gonna put a light right over it.
What do you think?
Don't worry, Tom. I'm wearing safety glasses for you.
Awesome. Together, we're gonna be able to hear and see. This is it right here.
Oh, I can get rid of that. But other than that, it looks okay, right?
Yeah, I don't know how far you're angling or what we're doing.
We're kind of going straight out.
We made this. We fit it. It's getting hot, so I'm gonna set it down.
Don't do it. I'm tempted.
He wants to. See, he's
Super tempted.
like-
I just want to rub my, like, how did he do?
almost not that perfect.
They almost look good, don't they? Dang it, it's a shame we gotta break them off. So our bolts, our shackle mounts are gonna be right there. We're gonna have to cut here. Tom has got to go home back to Idaho Falls. That's a day's worth of driving.
It is a day to get there.
Tomorrow we will continue on this little build. Anyway, tune in. Oh wait, we're not finishing the week out. You'll see us. It's the next day, and we are gonna continue working on this. Rudy's gonna be building the fan shroud. Those can't be good. There's no way that's good.
It's delicious.
Rudy's gonna be working on the fan shroud today. That will make 7 of you very pleased. I think I'm gonna work on getting these little bumperette figured up. We kind of just tacked them on to just see if we liked them. Everybody came into work this morning and they were still happy with how they looked. So we're gonna, in the words of Paul from Fab Rats, we're gonna make them permanent.
Just try it. All right, so we need to build a fan shroud. So I have this junk radiator here that we accidentally destroyed when we built the Morvair. And it's the same one we have on the Morvair, but it's also the same one we're running on the Jeep. So I'll be able to use it for dimensions and everything. I'll build a shroud, and then, or I'll build like a main plate, and then I'll be able to cut the hole out after I fit it to the fan to get the clearances all proper and everything. I also have this that goes around the fan. So that needs to be added to it. Nice.
So Rudy got the main part of this done, and then he had to leave, so I built this bottom part, got it on there. We got some hacking and bending we need to do in here, and then we got some tacking back here because I want these to be studs. These ones have to stay loose, so we're gonna have Lizzie tack those up right now. All right, so then we're gonna put some of this on there because that's gonna be pretty close to the core of the radiator. And this will just give it a little bit of protection. So the radiator chews through it to the steel inside there. Those are some good scissors because they'll cut through steel.
They are great scissors. Wish they had a brand on them so we knew which ones to buy.
You order them from roofing supply houses. This is what you use for cutting membrane roofing. Me and Lizzie know that.
Yep. I've cut many, many feet with those kind of scissors.
That sounds terrifying.
Okay, so we're still not quite done fabricating because we've got to drill holes in this and then drill holes in this. So I'm going to drill the holes in this first so I'm not stabbing through this and into this and causing all kinds of problems. Kind of doesn't matter if these are symmetrical or not, does it? Oh yeah. All right. There, that's even with the top. Is that where we want it?
Lizzie says yes.
Yes, man.
Outstanding guess.
Also, lightened for racing.
It's also reversible.
Here we go.
Nailed it.
All right.
Lizzie is not impressed.
I don't know. What do I gotta do? Look at all these tiny little victories we're getting. I think I want to put another bolt right there. Or maybe even 2 of them. 2 on the bottom and 4 on the top. What do you think? You don't care. Okay, let's get those ones on the bottom. Downtown. Oh my. Okay. I don't know how to get that in there. Let's see what the problem is there.
No, I can't see anything.
Lizzie, can you pick this up a little bit? Like by the radiator cap? A little bit more? And just hold it up there. So maybe if we put that through like that, and then put a nut on it, this will get us through. Okay. Okay. Now let me tighten this up. Hey, no whispering. All right. Okay, set that down. All right. Now let's see the bottom of that fan shroud.
Do you need the bolts for it?
I'm gonna. Yes. Right. We've got to fit this in here somehow. Here, Trevor. See if you can feed that down right through here.
All yours.
It worked.
Yes.
Or. All right, now we just need to put the core support back on. Where does it even go? Right there? Yeah. And that will be that. So let's see. Probably hold it about right there. Let's see what happens. You can feel it. The air coming past it. Awesome. Okay, fan shroud works. It doesn't hit, doesn't make any noise. There were some questions about, yeah, but what happens when the motor rocks with the torque? Well, the motor mounts are specifically designed to limit that. All 3 of the mounts are. And we've got about 1 inch of clearance all the way around the fan. So, ta-da. And I know the optimal is like 1/3 or 1/4 with the rest of it, the 3/4 or 2/3 exposed. I know that, but this is the way I did it. It's good enough. We are continuing to work on this project here. That's what we're trying. No, just go keep going to the same spot. Same spot's always good enough.
Well, it's not the prettiest, but it'll hold. But we're gonna grind it off anyway. So as long as it is strong, we're good. So it's the end of another week, Friday afternoon. Everybody wants to go home. We got the bumper almost ready for paint. There's some more work to do. We don't even know exactly what we're doing yet, but you'll know when we do it. Fan shroud done. What else did we do? We didn't get to the exhaust tips. Dang it. So sorry. We're gonna die of carbon monoxide poisoning for 1 more week until we get that fixed. So anyway. Thanks for watching.